Hello guys, welcome back to Aveda Ayur's new video. Myself, Keshu Sharma, currently handling international business at Aveda Ayur. Today we are going to talk about two best products to start an Ayurvedic business with the help of third-party manufacturing in 2025. Did you know the Ayurvedic supplement industry in India is booming? Back in 2019, it was worth 335 billion, and by 2028, it's expected to grow to 1.2 trillion. That massive growth, and it shows how much people are turning to Ayurveda for their health needs. If you're planning to start an Ayurvedic business with the help of third-party manufacturing in 2025, I've got two great product ideas for you: allergy supplements and Shilajit resin. Let's start with allergy supplements. Today, more and more people are suffering from allergies. Around 20 to 30% of Indians deal with conditions like sinus and asthma. And with everyone wanting natural remedies, Ayurvedic allergic supplements are in huge demand. It's growing market and a smart choice for business. Now let's talk about Shilajit resin. It's one of the Ayurveda's most powerful gift of nature. It helps boost energy, improve stamina, and support overall health. This makes it very popular with gym goers, fitness lovers who wants natural ways to stay active and recover faster from muscle strain, fatigue, or physical stress. It's also a favorite for busy professionals and older people who want to feel energetic all day. The Shilajit market is growing fast. It was valued at $175.6 million in 2023 and is expected to grow by 9% every year until 2030. This shows how much people trust this amazing product. With so many people wanting it, Shilajit resin is a smart product to start your Ayurvedic business. So, if you are looking to start your Ayurvedic journey, these two products are a great place to begin. The demand is high and the market is only getting bigger. Give us a call and we can help you build your Ayurvedic business.